Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be explaining to you how you can withdraw from your Bittoken app. Okay, so right now, by now you must have known that Bittoken is a mining platform where you get to mine and accumulate some BTT for yourself. Okay, however, before we proceed, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. If you're returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Please do well to like as well as we proceed. So now, before I go ahead showing you how to place withdrawal on your Bittoken app, let me quickly explain how these options works. This navigation options you're seeing right here, this is actually your profile details. Now when you come down to team, there are some things that you need to know on your account. Now this is your referral link. Once you want to share this referral link to your friends, and you are going to be getting commissions for this. Now I will recommend you refer individuals to this platform so you can actually increase your BTT on your account. Now you can actually see that total referrals are over 144 on my account. Now when you come down to friend list, you're going to be seeing that you can actually see the percentage you're going to be getting for each friends you invite into this Bittoken app. Okay, so right now let me show you something right here. When you come down to direct referral bonus, you can actually see that I can actually claim these bonuses from my referral. So it is advisable you go ahead inviting friends and families to Bittoken to accumulate more points for yourself. Now I can go ahead to click on claim just to claim this. As you can see, action was successful. Now when you come down right here, you're going to be clicking on claim again. You can see action successful, but you can still come right here and click on claim top 10. As you can see, now you've actually claimed top 10 bonuses on your account. You can go ahead to claim all these bonuses for yourself, and this is going to be adding up on your account. So for every referrals you bring into this platform, this is not going to be accumulating on your account right here. You're not going to be seeing the accumulated earnings on your account right here until you come down to team. So once you come down to team, you just have to come down to maybe your friend list or your direct referrals. Once you come over to your direct referrals, you need to claim everyone you have actually invited to this platform. Once you claim them, that is when you can actually have them on your main account. Okay, when you come down to earn, you're going to be seeing some potentials for you to earn. You can actually see all these tasks right here. Just go ahead to perform all these tasks just to increase your earnings on this platform. You can actually see the Telegram. Just go ahead. You can as well watch ads on your account just to increase your BTT and earnings on your account. Now when you go back, you can actually come down to the direct referral extra bonus. You're going to be seeing that you still have some bonuses to claim right here. You can go ahead to start claiming them one after the other. Okay, so right here you can actually see that I can claim this right here, as you can see right now. So what you actually do right on this platform is mining, but you actually get more bonuses when you refer individuals to this platform. So to come right here, you just have to come down to team, and you're going to be seeing the referrals you've actually invited to this platform and the bonuses you'll be getting that is attached to it. Okay, so right now when you come down to mine, you're going to be directed to your interface where you actually mine. So right now you can see the total number I have in my RP. So you can come right to claim. So once you click on claim, you're going to be seeing that they'll be asking you to double times what you want to earn by watching ads, or you can go ahead to confirm just to get this exact point. Okay, but it's advisable for you to download the app so you'll be able to watch ads. So without downloading the Bittoken app, you can actually watch ads on your account. Now to boost your mining on this platform, you can come down to where you can actually find the booster. So once you click on booster, you can actually see that you can boost your mining from 1 USDT down to 100 USD per month to purchase a bot miner to boost your mining rates and RP. So if you want to actually do that, you can actually deposit 1 to 100 USD just to purchase a bot miner to boost your daily mining rate. Or better still, you can come down to this particular interface where it says watch ads. You can actually see every day you get multiple ads to watch. You can just click on watch ads and an ad will be displayed to you. So once you keep watching those ads, you can go ahead to watch one ad. From one ad, watch second one, watch third one. by so doing you are actually boosting the hours you'll be mining. So when you come back maybe in 2-3 hours or 4 hours or 24 hours, you're going to be claiming instead of coming every hour to claim right here. So this booster allows you to boost your mining rates instead of coming every time to claim your booster. Okay, so that is that for that. Now let's go over to the reason of this video, how to withdraw your earnings on Bittoken. Now to place withdrawal on your Bittoken, make sure that you have actually done your KYC. Okay, you need to have done your KYC on your account. Okay, so if you have not actually done your KYC on your account, you can reach out to me and I will show you how you can go about it. I also made a video on this page on how you can do your KYC, but you need to fund your account with $1. Okay, now before you can be able to fund your account with $1, you need to reach out to me so I can show you what you need to do to fund your account with $1. Then you proceed in doing your KYC. Now to place withdrawal on your account, the first thing you need to do is to come right where it says P2P. As you can see right now, KYC completed. So if you have not done your KYC on your account, you won't have this interface that shows KYC completed, because once you have your KYC completed, you can go ahead to click on P2P. Now once you click on P2P, you'll be brought to this interface. Now this interface, you can actually see place buy order, place sell order, my sell orders and history. Just come right to the second that says place sell order. So once you click on place sell order, you can actually see that it says I have a total of 209 BTT on my account, 209.97 BTT on my account, and right here it says after placing a sell order, an equivalent BTT balance will be withheld from your account into escrow until your order is completed, fulfilled by interested buyers, or you cancel the pending order. Now what you're actually doing is that you're actually selling your BTT, and this buyer is going to send you your BTT equivalent in dollar. So what you want to do right here is to enter the equivalent you have on your BTC. As you can see, the balance 209.97. So I'm just going to be putting 209 right here. Now they are asking you the USD rate per BTT you want to sell. You can just come right here and insert 0.8. So once you insert 0.8, you can actually see beneath it, it said state only how much USD you want to obtain for 1 BTT sold. Now this is the rate of 1 BTT I want to sell, which is 0.8. now this is what it says: you may earn 167.20 USD after a successful sale. That is after a successful sale. If this buyer has agreed to buy this particular BTT at this rate you have actually added, which is the 0.8, he's going to be sending you 167.20 USD after the successful sale. So what you just need to do right now is to click on submit, and you follow the process in selling your BTT. So once you sell your BTT, the buyer is going to be funding your account with the equivalent right there, which is the 167.20 USDT. So that is how you can actually sell your BTT on your account and withdraw your earnings. Now the reason why you're selling your BTT is that when you come down to your account right here, the only amount you can withdraw on your Bittoken app is the only money you have on your USDT wallet. Now let me go back and show you your USDT wallet in case you're asking what is my USDT wallet. Now you can actually see that your USDT wallet is 0. So once you're actually selling your BTT and your buyer is actually funding your account, your money will be reflecting on your USDT balance. So what you have on your USDT balance is what you can actually withdraw on your account. So that is how you can actually place withdrawal on your account. You need to sell your BTT for the buyer to send you a USDT equivalent to your BTT, and you can go ahead to place withdrawal on your account. So that is how you can easily place withdrawal on your Bittoken app. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood all what I just said, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video, and keep winning.